In this video I'll show you how to turn on or off the ringer on your Android phone. There's actually three different ways you can do this. So the first way is if you swipe down from the top of your screen, and at the very top there you can see silent mode, the third option along. If I press that, it goes green and that's it. The ringer turned off. The next way is if you press the volume buttons on the side of your phone and then press the two dots, you get these three different options. You can just mute all them, that would turn your ringer off. Then the third option is to go into your phone's settings, scroll down to sound and vibration, and pick which option you want. So you can either turn it just on to vibrate, or you can completely mute it by turning it on to silent. So there's three ways of how you can turn on or off the ringer on your Android mobile phone.